Hi everyone, this is Cindy playing with the heart, and I am back to share. Got a bunch of stuff everywhere. To share a Halloween project. So, my sister, the story goes, was born the day after Halloween on the 1st because apparently I was a PETA about taking my Halloween candy away. So anyway, we celebrate on Halloween, usually my sister's birthday, which is November 1st, and her daughter's birthday, which is November the 3rd. So it gives me an opportunity to make Halloween birthday cards. And I absolutely love how these cards came out. They just came out really cute. So let me show you what I used. This is a new to me, and I really love it. So I highly recommend it. I believe it's Lawn Fawn, and they have a super cute, it's a mask, as well as, a stencil. So you can use this as a mask, which is what I use to make my moon. And then you can lay these pieces on top and make texture for your moon. And then, of course, you've got some stars and some clouds. And it's really cute. Or you can just use this to stencil a circle. So it's amazing. I love it. I know that Tim Holtz has a bunch of masks that are similar. I just like the size of it, and I like everything being on one little sheet like this. I think I have a mask from Tim Holtz from last year, so I do have that, but I really like it. And then this, I'm just glad that I got to finally use this. It's massive, and it's so cute. And I bought it when it came out, when it was a pre-order, and I think it was, I want to say it was $50, $45 or $50. It was a steal, whatever it is, because you get 2, 4, 6, 8 really adorable girls, and then you get some really great sentiments and also some little pieces as well, like the cat and mushrooms and a frog and a cauldron and a bat. Just adorable. I love it. I only really got a chance to use 2 sentiments, and I used 2 girls. I used, God, which ones? Was it this one? Can't even tell. This one, and I think this one. So you'll see. But I love it. It was just adorable. And I think Not Too Shabby Shop might have had this as well. So I don't know if they still have it. But, I mean, if you get your hands on it, it is adorable. I don't know how else I could use it for something non-Halloween, maybe like Harry Potter-ish, wizardy kind of thing. I also used some super cute, this calls for confetti. It's called Simply Meant to Be Sequin Mix, and it's adorable. It's very themed, I think, for Nightmare Before Christmas. It's got the little, like, what looks like Jack Skellington faces, and then it's got the little pumpkin. That's what it looks like, but I think it works for this card. So here's the first one, and it is a shaker, and I did one of those shakers that's the infinity shaker, so that you use the acetate to kind of to create your pocket. And I really like that for this type of a card. And so I colored in with my Copic markers, and I did green hair. So I love how the green hair came out. And then what I found with my Copics is that the BVs have a purplish gray, and I gotta get the number of it, but it's amazing. And so I really loved using that for the witch's hat, because even though it gave the dark, like, black hat vibe, it has a purple tint to it, and I really like how that came out. So I colored in with my Copics, and then I've got the cat and a bat, and you can see behind here I've got my moon. So she's flying over the moon, and it says, "Wishing you the best," and it shakes. And then you open it up, it just says, "Happiest of birthdays to you." And I just think it came out really, just really cute. So I love how it shakes, and it's very really fun. And so then this one, it says Hocus Pocus, And you also have my moon in the back. And what I did for the cauldron is, I think it was one of the latte stamp sets from Lawn Fawn, has this like steam. So I just stamped the steam over my blended backgrounds. And so that's really cute. And then for my background, I think I did that new violet color that Tim Holtz has. I think was that citron color, kind of a limey green, and then marmalade, I think is that orange, because I couldn't find my carved pumpkins around here somewhere. But I think it came out really cute. So I just did that little steam for my cauldron. I have my little bat, like my bat is either coming out of the cauldron or just hanging out. I have my little girl, and I did purple hair for her. So I did 2 different shades of purple. So I got her purple hair, which is a different shade than her clothes, which is more of a lavender. And then I use that sort of gray purpley color that's in the BVs for all of my darks. So for my cauldron, my cat, and the hat, and I think it came out really, really cute. So really fun birthday cards. I mean, these are going out, actually going out tomorrow. For tomorrow's birthdays, I'm making this on the day before, obviously, but I'm going to be publishing it on Halloween. So you'll get that for Halloween. But that's what I'm saying, tomorrow. But tomorrow is going to be today. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Crane the Heart.